Hi and welcome to this My Reviews video. I'm Diego. I'm going to show you today how you can add your business reviews on your Wix website with My Reviews with absolutely no help from a developer at all. So we can get started by visiting MyReviews.link, and you can click on the add-on Wix link at the top right, and this will open up the Wix marketplace page for My Reviews, where you can then click the add to site button to add it on your website, just like we have seen on this website. On this home page you can see a pre-made example, but we'll be setting up a new configuration of My Reviews directly on a separate page. We can search for the widget on the Wix app marketplace, just like I'm doing on the screen right now. Clicking on the add to site will introduce the widget on the website. You can position it where you want it and start configuring it by double clicking. This will open up the settings panel, and you can start by configuring your Facebook setup. So for Facebook, we need to log in to authorize access for My Reviews on your profile and on your pages, just like I'm doing here. You'll be authorizing My Reviews to fetch your pages, and they'll be displayed on this list available here, displaying how many reviews you have available for each page. You can select pages with reviews available, so we can select one. If you select the wrong one, if you want to change in the future, you can always deselect the page. You'll be presented with the page list again, and you can select the other one. So once this is selected, just like the novelty property one is here, you'll be seeing the reviews already on your website, and we can continue configuring at this point Google reviews. You can search for a business name and a location, and you'll be able to find your place, select it, and you'll see the Google reviews present now. The same thing for Yelp. You can select from the business list that is presented to you once the search is returned. And now we have a nice widget configured, but we want to increase the number of reviews. That's no problem. You can add up to 10 reviews on your premium version, and the number of reviews that you can see here depends on how many reviews you have on Facebook, Yelp, and Google. So at this point we can see that the page is stretched and a lot of reviews are present on the page, but we might still want to customize the look and feel a little bit more. Maybe we want to remove the title, or select a different style for the logo, or maybe put a custom title. And why not customize the borders, for instance? So we can change the color, we can change the thickness, and we can add round corners, or we can select all the other options in terms of look and feel that you can customize on this screen. So this is pretty much everything you can do as a basic introduction to My Reviews. I hope this was helpful. You can also check our FAQ pages for questions on other aspects about My Reviews, and if you don't find an answer, you can always contact us through this page or by clicking on the feedback link, and it will take you to this page where you can put your details, the steps of what you've been trying to do, and we'll reply to your email as soon as we receive your message. I hope this video was helpful. Please check the description on this YouTube video for other links and other resources, and I'll see you soon. Thank you.